Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make moi moi in leaves. Now sit back, relax, and let's get started. To begin, we start by peeling the beans, the skin of the beans. I'm going to leave a link on how to do that in the description below. Next, you place the beans in a blender. You add your chili pepper, your scotch bonnet pepper, and your bell peppers. Now you have to ensure your bell pepper is de-seeded because it tends to make things bitter if you do not remove the seeds. Next, you add onion and water. You cover the blender and grind till smooth. It has to be very smooth, like this. Now we're going to prepare the filling for the moi moi. For this, I'll be using fresh Titus fish, also known as mackerel fish. So you place the mackerel fish in the pot. You add onion. For this, I'm adding ground onion. You add your crushed seasoning, salt, and a little water, just enough to cook the fish. Just add a little water. You cover this and leave to cook for about 5 minutes. Once you're done, you debone the fish and you shred the fish. Next, you pour the bean paste in a bowl. You add the fish stock, salt to taste, and seasoning. This is optional. You add crayfish and vegetable cooking oil. You give this a good mix to combine everything together, and you add your deboned fish. Finally, you add your shredded fish and give this a good mix. Now it's time to prepare the pot for steaming. Now moi moi is usually steamed, so you place the stems of the uma leaf in the pot and arrange accordingly. Next, you fold the uma leaves just as I'm doing right now. You pour the moi moi mixture in the middle of the leaf, add your boiled egg and fold. Now you place this in the pot and you're going to repeat this for the rest of the batch. You fold like this, add the moi moi mixture, add the egg and fold. Cover and leave to steam for about 20 minutes and your moi moi is ready. You can enjoy this with pap, rice, or any meal of your choice. Now if you enjoyed watching this video, do give me a thumb up and follow for more content like this. Till next time, bye bye.